Hello and welcome. In this video, you will learn how to add users in Bold BI. Admins can easily add new users to Bold BI to provide access to dashboards. You can create users manually or import them from the user management server, assign roles like admin, designer, and viewer, and grant site access. This ensures secure role-based permissions and streamlined collaboration across your BI environment. Select the User option in the left navigation panel in the Dashboard server. Select New User in the top right corner. New users can be added to Bold BI individually or in bulk using CSV import, Active Directory, Azure AD, and Database. To add individual users, select Add User from the User Management page. The Add User dialog will be displayed. Fill out the form with the email address, username, first name, and last name. Then select Add. A new account will be created for the user, and an account activation email will be sent to the email address. Here, the user will need to activate the account manually by clicking the Activate button. The activation link will be valid for 2 days. Then, let's see how to add individual users with passwords. To add a user with a password, you must set the account activation mode to automatic in the Account Settings page. To set this, go to the Accounts section of the Settings page. If the account activation mode is automatic, the new user will be automatically activated. If the activation type is email, the user will receive an email to activate their account. The user account will be activated after verifying the email. By default, the account activation mode is automatic. Then you can add the user by selecting the Add User button and entering the credentials. Then click Add. You can also add the users to the individual site in UMS Server. Select the users and click Grant Site Access. Click OK to apply changes. Only admins can add users and grant site access. Let's see how to import users via CSV. Download the CSV template. Add users to the CSV file. Save the CSV file. And upload it. Once the file is uploaded, the user details will be displayed in the grid. Click on Import Users to import the users from the CSV file. Bold BI will import the selected users in the background, and a confirmation dialog will appear. You can check the status of the current import by selecting the View Status button in the confirmation dialog. In this video, you have learned how to add users in Bold BI. Thanks for watching.